Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 40 under Section 4. Now, the instruction is from the words lettered A to D below each of the following sentences. Choose the words or group of words that is nearest in meaning to the underlined words as it is used in the sentence. So the sentence is, I hope the principal would be gracious enough to forgive us. So option A is cordial, B polite, C merciful, D gentle. So gracious as it is used in this sentence, gracious being the underlined word, as it is used in this sentence means compassionate. Now option A, which is cordial, means sincere, warm, and affectionate. Now B, polite, means well mannered. Option C, merciful, showing mercy. Another word that can be used is compassionate. And then D, option D, gentle, means tender and considerate. Now, from the meanings of the options we've given, we see that option C, which is merciful, means showing mercy or compassionate, and that is a similar word we used to describe the meaning of the word gracious, which is underlined in the sentence. Therefore, the correct answer, which is nearest in meaning to gracious, is option C, merciful. So thank you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.